we are discussing. So what we want to discuss today here is about the different access specifiers what we have. So let us consider we have a class parent. Okay, I'm repeating. We have a private member variables and protected member variables, and by default we have public member variables. Public. So we have a parent class. Now the parent has been inherited by child class, and it has its own member variables. What is that? Member variables. Now child has how many member variables? Parent has 4 and child has 2. So child will have now totally 6 when I create a object of this. So I created an object, an instance of child. I tried to access the child name. I tried to access a property from which whose property it is. Child doesn't have any property values. Child have only name and vehicle. Whereas parent has property. Child got it via inheritance. What is that? Via inheritance. So I came to know that parent has balance also. But why we are getting error? Parent made it private. So though you do a inheritance, I was not able to access in my normal access method specifiers. When I remove inherit like parent private, parent variable as private, then I was able to access the balance. The moment parent makes a variable as private, whenever you are trying to access, you will get an error saying that field parent balance is not visible. Okay. Though let us consider, though parent didn't make private, but he made some variable as protected. Okay. Somewhere, what is that property? So as it is there in one package itself, your property was able to access, you were able to access, but not what is that? That will be coming like that only. Don't worry about that. That is Eclipse glitch. Okay. So we will comment out this. We'll start running. Start running the Java application. Now what happened? What is the answer? Everything came. But this was within that package. Let us consider we will go outside and we'll create a package called access. We'll try to access the parent's protected property. Not protected, private property. Whether it is able to access, whether you are able to access? No. Why? You're saying it is not a field, the field parent is not a field to that particular child. Because you have, though you have inherited, it was restricted to my parent only. Okay. Let us consider. I have restricted in my parent class with the protected. It was we were able to access in a same package, but when I come to outside the package, outside of house, when I try to access, what is that protected we kept? Property, yeah, property only. Now the moment I keep property, the moment I keep balance, was it able to access? No, balance was private. Whereas protected was there, property was protected, and my property was protected, still I was able to access inside my package. Whereas when I come outside of the package, I'm not able to access. So this concept is called encapsulation, encapsulating the data. What do you mean by encapsulation? Nothing but information hiding. Clear? So how you do information hiding in Java? Not in Java, OOPS concept. The same concept everywhere, same concept when you are learning OOPS concept. If the language supporting OOPS, Python, Go language, any other Python, any other OOPS language, any other language, it supports OOPS. You will have all this private, public, protected. Okay, but public and private are very, very important. Okay, so now I have a question. If a member variable is protected, can I access outside the package? No, not possible. If a member variable is public, can I access outside the package? If a member variable is private, can I access inside the package? No. Only to that class. If a member variable is protected, can I access inside the package? Yes, possible. Possible. Within the same package it is accessible. So that's why you got now what is the importance of package also? Why we create a package also. Clear? In order to do a information hiding, nothing but a encapsulation. To achieve the encapsulation, it is very, very useful. Clear? See, in Java especially, this is very, very useful. See, 100% OOPS we can implement, whereas in Python we can't implement 100%. You can't implement. They checked in the idea from here, but they are not up to the mark. But in C hash, whereas in Go language, you can implement. They're equal competitors. Again. So now once again, so what we need to understand here now from this? What did we understand from here? Access modifiers. So how many access modifiers are there? Public, private, protected, and default. Default and almost public are almost same. If you don't mention it as, they'll call it as default. Almost public and default are almost same. But you need to remember, all our setters and getters will be public. All our setters and getters will be public, can be made as private and protected. Can be made as private and protected. Clear? Yeah. Yes. Parent class. Okay. So what time we get property? Which one? Oh, that's what it is there. Though it is there, so okay, it will not allow you because you are private. So this is our property access, direct property access. So can I access via object oriented? So you created an object, okay? Get the property. This is accessible outside the package via setters and getters. I'm asking, okay? Via setters and getters. I am not accessing directly, but via setters and getters I am asking. You got my point? So no, now what you made? Balance. Okay, balance. Via property you are able to access, though it is protected. Via setters and getters. So will I get balance? Will I get balance? Outside the package it is. Outside the package it is. Yes. If you want to access any data which is private and protected also, directly you can't access. You should access via setters and getters. That's the importance of setters and getters. Clear? That's the importance of setters and getters. Because your setters and getters are public, no? Yes. That's the way you are getting. Once again, you make setters and getters public and private and protected. Will you be accessible? No. So that's what. So this is a rule. Because you made setters and getters public, you are able to access. Simple concept, nothing difficult here. Simple concept. Clear? That's the point. Simple point. Clear cut point. As we made parent class setters and getters public, we are able to access. So that's the way we will start into another session. So I think you are very clear about what you have learned now, correct?